From getting up early in the morning and climbing to the top of a hill to see a bit of history, then walking along the coast to watch the sunset go down that night, I sure was ready for day 5. We are going to try and go mountain biking. We're not sure about all the details. Not cute. Okay, we can go. Okay, I can take Elmo. We can go to the park. Yay! That was so good. Oh my god. So we're going to a place called Yamba, and we're going to go to the bike shop to get our bikes. We're gonna go up to one of the quarries there, and we're gonna go and cliff jump. We finally found the place that we can go cliff jumping. It's gonna be amazing. See you guys there.
Right now.
You can jump off the cliff? How far is it if it is a jump?
I don't know. It's big for me.
Dude, you guys jump.
Alright.
Because I'm old, so anything looks weird to me. Look at going, man.
I'm old too.
They got days without incident over here, and it says one day, and it says the reason is because brain freeze from beer being too cold.
This was for the broken heart, the lame, the weak, too afraid to start, the dreams that only came to pass them by.
Let's go!
Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight.
We're gonna go down to the quarry. We're gonna see if it's jumpable. Some people told us that there are different levels in the quarry where you can jump from, so it depends on like what you're feeling.
It was just a chance to start.
Yo, it's super cool. They're all sitting in it.
Alright, how did that feel? Let's see, are you red?
Oh no, I just want foot. It's got slapped hard.
Alright, so what'd you think?
It was good. Nice jump.
We should do it again?
Yeah, I would do it again.
Mahmoud finally jumped off the cliff. He was so scared. He was crying. He was like, "You can't do it!" And then we finally convinced him, and he did it. What do you have to say for yourself?
I did it, guys. It was really scary, and honestly, in a sense, I regretted it, but then it felt really good to have done it, so I'm happy.
That's Mahmoud's first cliff jump, and we made him jump from so high. Like, I have experience jumping off small cliffs, and
but it's okay.
I worked my way up, you know? But him, just a straight, just massive. We're gonna ride our bikes back. We're a bit late to give the bikes back, but the guy said we could just leave it there, it's fine. And we can lock it up. It's really cold. If the sun goes down, we'll freeze to death out here. Australia's super cold at night. My fingers are feeling like rocks. There's always that one guy who's neglected and abused in the group. And I hate being that person, but I know I have to be that person in order to get these sick videos. Like, honestly, there's no one else gonna do it. If I don't do it, no one else will. Anyhow, guys, we'll see you back when we make it, if we make it.